Okay, so today is Halloween, and we're gonna go to Shibuya. We were there yesterday, and that apparently is where the Halloween festivities are. So we're gonna head there.
I don't look funny with dark hair.
Okay, fine. You look different than you normally do. We made it to Shibuya, and we're probably really early in the evening, but it's okay. We're gonna leave early because we have kids.
See, there's nothing in my hand, and I can magically appear my wand.
Sure, go. Whoa, you are magic.
Yeah. Mommy and Daddy, we're going up. There's a show.
You going up in the tower? I think this is the Puzzles Tower.
Maybe now. Oh, Puzzle!
Yeah.
Puzzle! She looks like me.
Okay, we stopped at the Disney store and got Harper a new water bottle because I left hers at a restaurant in the Singapore airport. Oops.
Okay.
Yeah, so we got our frozen one, and now we're gonna go find something else to do. We are still in Shibuya, and probably gonna head out soon. There's not a lot going on yet. I think a lot of the stuff is gonna happen later. I'm gonna do another walkthrough, see if anybody's here yet, but we really don't want to be here too late.
So we got some snacks and some apple juice because Cora is cranky, so he thinks she was hungry because now she's happy.
Were you hangry, Cora? Yeah, that happens.
I'm a princess!
You are. Oh, your hair is beautiful. Starting to get a lot busier, and the police are out and the news is out, and this was probably going to be absolutely crazy later, but we won't be here because we gotta go.
I am so addicted.
Shinjuku station, and now we're just gonna find out which exit we want, and we're gonna go get some sushi. We might go back to that place we already went on the first night. I don't know. Let's go find out. Okay, we just put in our name at Kura Sushi, and it says about an hour wait. So we're gonna go.
Halloween night.
It is Halloween night. We're gonna go over to the other part of Shinjuku and check that out.
Get some candy.
We're gonna go see if we can find some candy. Yeah.
Bright flashing by the street lights. Keep waiting till you've arrived. Let it unfold. Let it unfold. Give me a reason to feel right. I keep waiting for the morning light. I let him fall. Let him fall.
Oh, here comes our beers. Okay, we're back, and try not to wreck the entire train tonight. That's my goal. So we'll get a shrimp tempura hand roll, and
I just roll it up.
Willie says just roll it up. So
So I know
I'll roll it up like a burrito. I want to take a bite out of it.
You want some soy sauce? You can have that.
Just go like this, like this. Very good. Scott, I don't know. It's got some type of like, I have no idea, mayo salad thing in it. And then the shrimp tempura. Oh, so good. So good.
Something else is coming. So I'm gonna try this stuff. Sushi. I wouldn't do what it tastes like. So here you go.
It's just rice.
Let me see.
Oh, that's funny.
Awesome. Is it good? You guys probably would like it.
Come on.
My mommy getting a water.
right, that's it. You guys have to share.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Took us 40 plates. Took us 40 plates. We finally won. We just left the sushi place and we tried to get them toys at the end there, and the machine ate our yen each time. But we're gonna try and find one of these claw machine places that we saw earlier. And so we're back into the crazy of things. Went to the claw machine, and that guy was super helpful for the girls, because the girls walked away with 4 stuffed animals. And my batteries are almost dead, so this is it. We will see you tomorrow. Love you guys. Bye.